Sanibonani guys. Ngiworried okwangempela-ke manje. Uyabona lento yematch and match bese kufanele u-ANC noRamaphosa upresident umengameli asigoqe asoft. Yizwa leyo bekuyithuba lakhe-ke manje ukuthi uRamaphosa asimbathise sibambe ngengo ahambe ngathi ngolayini ukuthi ayisukumele lento yalama foreigners. Bese kuyilona themba lika ANC, lona themba lakhe ke lelo ebese kufanele ayibuyise ngayo iANC. Awangifeyila mfethu, yazi efaka mfethu kuthiwa CR17. I had high hopes bra. Mongameli mfethu ayingeke. The country collapsed phambi kwakho and lento aningeni. Into ezokwenzeka njengamanje because thina siyazazi thina sizwe simnyama thina. If sikhuluma into silibele sikhuluma siyasithathela. There are two people who are governing the country right now. It's the public and the police. And if it's uhulumeni wethu akayingeni. This is what is going to happen. Uma uhulumeni angayingeni. Hulumeni kushiwo ukuthi wakhuza abantu bakho. Lento idraina umzimba, sigijimela ngeni emakhazeni, si-dehydrated. Akwamanye amavidiyo induna izizishelwa yizwi. Iyamemeza kwezinye indawo inawo umbhobho, kwezinye indawo ayinawo umbhobho. And lento idle enyameni physically manje. Akumnandi ukushaya umgwaqo. Ukushaya umgwaqo akumnandi, kuyazacisa. Umuntu kuyazacisa nje, ukugijima kuyazacisa. I-road work nje bayayazi abantu bayo. Iyazacisa. Iyakhandlana njalo inamajaqamba. Inento eziningi. Uhulumeni mengayingeni lento izohamba ibe yifatigue ngalendlela kuthina istrain uzwe sekuthiwa kunamaPakistan emalokishini asegaxwa amathayi. Ngoba siyayazi leyo nto yokugaxwa kwabantu amathayi. Kwakhona o-DC ubizelwe i-discipline mawuntshontshile uboshelwe esihlahleni unenebule ngemvubu. Siya lapho if umengameli wethu and the ruling party bengayingeni. Bese kuyithuba lakhe lokushaya ipenalty kwi-World Cup. Ramaphosa wangifeyila. Uyabona le? Ukuba isukumelile uRamaphosa le namfethu. Wadeploy amasosha. Njengoba uyawathanda vele. Wadeploy amasosha mfethu ukuthi kukhishwe abantu kuma-building kufunakala amaphepha kusayinwe. Adeploy SAPS who has power to arrest. Adeploy umetro. Ukukhishwe izitolo zibe vacant, abantu bakithi baqale ba-apply bafuna ukufaka imvunulo, abafuna ukupheka kuma stores ku-apply ama-permit. Wazongifeyila mfana. Ungifeyilile bese kuyithuba lakhe ukuthi ashaya ipenalty kwi-World Cup, kwi-golden goal rule. Inkosi yami uthi wakora uyawina. Awubulala u-ANC. Wayibulala wangungayingeni. Yabo nje ngimbalo mali emavele isitha se-EFF. I-EFF uqobo lwayo. Uyabona lezi ingulube lezane kwakuthiwa zagijima zophoseke weni zafa zonke i-EFF lezi. Zihamba nomholi wazo phambili. Bafethu. Asibali indaba ye-EFF. EFF can't even convert crowds into votes, which is a major challenge for them. Why am I rally abo benza stadium esigcwele, but they can't convert that volume into votes? Why would you favor a foreigner doesn't have voting rights? They are not counted with census as the public. Worse if that person is illegal. What makes you think these foreigners will translate into votes? And you are fighting the exact people. Now, because lenti ishaya emzimbeni izogcina isi-xenophobic attack. It is so stupid for other tribes. Like Tongas, I'm seeing Tongas, Pedis, Sotos, some other Xhosas. They think this thing is tribalism. No, we're even fighting for Boers and whites here. We are even fighting for Boers and whites and Indians. This is not a racial thing or tribalism. No, we need to be able, guys, to separate between citizenship, tribalism, racism, xenophobia. We need to be able to segregate these things. Ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sibhekene nani, right? Nationalism, yes. We need to be able ukuthi what is it that we want. Yabona into ezokwenzeka manje abazuyenza lento esicelayo bese nobona ngomopho uzongibuza ungiphala ulimi ngakutshela sibuya khona thina ekushiseni kwezitolo sibuya khona wena ongibukayo usenkosini hey ngikutshela mfana ngikutshela 1993 ngikutshele mina i-IFP ilwa ne-ANC leluyaca izalaphi i-IFP mfana wami iphethe izenze ngiyakutshela siyayazi thina lento sibalekiswe kuthiwa samakhomu sibalekiswe nembhobhodle nezinkwa sithiwa siyobhaca emahlathini siya lapho-ke manje-ke la ama-foreigners ekade kukhulunywe kahle nawe they thinking bona bazowenza yonke izinto abayithandayo bazogaxa amathayi ngitshela nizobona into ey'nyantisayo nizobona into futhi-ke nje mabili ama-artist esizowasupporta la e-South Africa u-Oscar Mbo no-Ayanda Ntanzi konke okunye fusak indaba yama-show zenu nje fusak asiniboni ngiqhamuka senivotelwa nina kulelo fusak mabili ama-artist la e-South Africa esizohamba na uyabona ukuthi ayikho into umsebenzi webandla ngiyayibona yini lento yo-Body of Christ niyayibona yini ukuthi ayikho into umsebenzi walento ekuthiwa ibandla kuze kusuka induna ingakholwa induna izithi izoplana umkhuleko wohost manje yawanje i-Body of Christ nonsense kuhlezi kuqhutshwa ubaba Dube phambili makungekho yena kwashona ubaba Desmond Tutu kuseqhutshwa ubaba uVusi Dube manje ayikho nje le nto abazalwane nje abana power nje they even failing to walk in power into yabo ngisho nje abazalwane mangase iyona major population eSouth Africa ubone kuhleli kuthe shaye umhlophe qwama Nazareth ubone kuhleli kumhlophe ku-blue abapostoli ubone uZCC ku-brown or they don't have power they only people into abacabanga ngayo abantu ukuthi nje this is tribalism into yakwaZulu yikuyonto yakwaZulu lena we even fighting for Boers and the whites in South Africa we are fighting for them. We want the whites and the Boers to occupy these stores. People who are citizens, who are nationalists.